Hello, how are you all? Welcome back. Children, today we will be studying lesson 14 Animals Around Us. Okay? In this lesson, after studying this lesson, we will be able to know the different types of animals and the different habitats of animals. What are habitats? Habitats are the place or the condition where the animals live. Now let's start. We see different kinds of animals around us. Some animals are big while some are small. So here is the picture of few animals. There are different types. Okay. Animals are living things. They breathe, eat food, grow in size and more move from one place to another in search of food and shelter. Animals are of different shapes, sizes and of different natures. Some animals are very useful to us. So here it is said that there are different types of animals and animals are living beings. How do we know that they are living beings? Because they breathe. Okay, this is the main thing. And then they eat food, they grow. So this is how we know that they are the living beings. Now we will study the different types of animals. First is pet animal. Some people keep cats, parrot or dogs in their homes. These animals are kept for companionship and fun. See, you can see cat, parrot and dog. These are the pet animals. The animals which can be kept inside the homes are called pet animals. People get attached to them. So pet animals are the animals that is of no particular help or work they do, but they are just kept for the companionship or love for that animal. Next category of animal is domestic animal. Some animals are kept on the farm. They give us many useful things. They are called domestic animals. Okay, so in the picture you can see a goat and a cow. Okay, those animals who are kept for some purpose, that they give us something. Those animals are known as domestic animals. They give us something or the other, either like we get wool from sheep or we get milk from cow or goat. So these are domestic animals. We should take a proper care of domestic animals. Goat, cow, buffalo, ox, donkey, etc. are domestic animals because they help us in some or the other way. Okay, next category of animal is wild animals. What are wild animals? Those are those animals who cannot be kept at our homes because they are dangerous. Okay, some animals wander freely in jungles. They are called wild animals. They cannot be tamed. Okay, wild animals, what do? The quality of what are the wild animals? The main thing is that they wander freely in jungle. They cannot be controlled. उन्हें control करके we cannot keep them in a home. Instead of that, they live freely in the jungle and they cannot be controlled and they are dangerous. Okay, tiger, lion, fox, bear, deer, etc. are wild animals. You can visit a zoo to see some wild animals. Wild animals are dangerous. Lion is called the king of the forest. Next category of animal is milch animals. The animals which give us milk are called milch animals. Okay? Cow, buffalo, goat are milk giving animals. That means they are milch animals. Okay? Children should drink milk daily. These type of animals live in a shed. Okay, so now you know that animals that give us milk are known as milch animals, and they are cow, buffalo, goat. Okay, and they live in a shed. Next is mammals. The animals like elephant, monkey, deer, bear, horse, goat, cow, etc. are called mammals. Mammals give birth to babies and feed them with their own milk. Human beings are also mammal. Okay, so what are mammals? Mammals are the animals that give birth to their babies and feed from their own milk to their babies. Like we humans are also mammals because we feed upon our mother's milk. So we are also mammals. A bat is a flying mammal. A whale is a mammal that lives in water. So there are different types of mammals. We human are a type of mammal, and water mammal is whale, and bat is a flying mammal. Okay. Next category of animal is amphibians. The animals that can live both in water and on land are called amphibians. So like we can only live on land but not in water. Unlike that, the animals that can live both on land and on water, they are known as amphibians. Examples are tortoise, frog, and crocodile. Next category is reptiles. The animals that crawl along the ground are called reptiles. The example are lizard, chameleon, and snake are reptiles. Next is rodents. Small animals with sharp teeth like rat and rabbit are called rodents. Okay, here you can see the picture of rat and rabbit. They have sharp teeth, small and sharp teeth. So these type of animals are known as rodents. Next is insects. Insects are small animals. We see insects all around us. Animals like honeybee, ants, bug, butterfly, grasshopper, housefly, and cockroaches are insects. They have 6 legs. Most insects have wings. Wings helps them to fly. So now you can see here the picture of few insects. The special quality of insects are that they have more than 4 legs. That is 6. And most insects have wings with which they fly. Next is birds. Birds are the animals that can fly. Their wings help them to fly. They have 2 legs and 2 wings. They have feathers and a tail. They have a beak. They generally they generally live on trees where they make their nest. See, these are the 2 birds. Here you can see owl and sparrow. What are the birds? They have wings that so that they can fly. Using wings, they can fly. And how do they fly? They have feathers and a tail also. And they have a beak. These are the special things that birds have. And birds live on nests. Sparrow, owl, crow, pigeon, partridge, kiwi, birds. Most birds can fly, some birds can swim in water. Okay. Generally, birds fly, but there are few birds who can swim in water, and there are birds who cannot fly even. Okay, still they are known as bird. Now, some birds like ducks can swim in water. They have webbed feet. Duck cannot fly; it can only swim in water, and the type of feet it has is webbed. Did you know a camel is called the ship of the desert? A camel has a hump. When there is less food for the camel to eat, it uses the fat stored in the hump. The camel stores the fat present in the food in its hump. Now, the next, did you know? Some pillows are filled with feathers. Do you know there are few pillows that in them, instead of cotton, feathers of a birds are filled? Next is animals which are used for carrying load are called beast of burden, like horse, camel, donkey, and etc. Okay, beast of burden, that is the beast that carry the burden. That's all for today. Goodbye.